Hey, it's Ben here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick pro and con review of a new app coming out called LetVidimaze. And what this app does is it allows you to put videos on your page from YouTube or ones that you own that visibly continue playing when a user scrolls down the page. Meaning, for example, one of the biggest issues is whenever you land on a page like this one and you play the video, if you scroll down, obviously the video doesn't scroll with you, so that you can lose engagement that way, and you hear the video playing, but you don't actually see it. So that's one thing it does. And then also it does something brand new where it creates something called video bookmarklets, where you can put videos on your sales page or any page you want that will open based on the page section that's viewed. And again, this is something that's brand new that I'll show you in just a second. So here's an example of one that a page that has LetVidimaze on it. And what you can see here is you land on the page. I'm going to refresh the page here for a second. And then the video is going to start playing.
Hey, thanks for taking the time to look at this product.
Now I'm going to pause it. And what you can do here is you can have the video not load at the moment, and then when people scroll down past the regular sales video that would normally be here, then you can have it start playing, or you can have it start playing right away as soon as you land on the page if there isn't a video, which this one, it looks like it's just instead of a video, there's just a product box. So that's something that's proven to convert, but it's been done before. There's been some other plugins that kind of have stalking videos that follow you around on the page as you scroll down. But what makes it unique is, I'm going to keep scrolling here and pay attention to this video right now. So you see she's like talking behind a house.
Love explainer videos.
I'm going to keep scrolling. Now.
Okay, so the first thing DSL.
So you see what happened? So I got to a new section here.
Hey, thanks for.
Where it's going to talk about some of the main features,
okay,
and
so
in this case, the templates that you're going to get. And then the video actually changed to a whole new bookmarklet. So instead of talking about the whole entire video sales letter in general as it's scrolling down, it's just a duplicate of the main video, you can have a specific video load right in this LetVidimaze box. It talks about just a specific section of the page. And what this is going to do is this is going to create 100% attention rate for your customers and significantly reduce bounce rate, I would imagine, whenever they land on the page, because now you can have these actual videos pop up for specific segments. So if you get to the bottom and it's talking about price, you can have like a closing video pop up that talks about why the price is a great deal, the coupons you can get right now. But if they're on the middle of the page looking at the features, you can have a video play that's talking about just the features, and maybe it does a product demo, something that goes even more in depth than just kind of some text on a page with some some pictures here and there. So again, this is a way to create 100% attention rate by creating these videos that scroll with you as you're going through the page and can load based on different segments of the page that you create. So now to create these, it's fairly simple. You're going to go to this LetVidimaze Cloud dashboard here. First, you want to just when you go to step 1 here, which is set up domain profile. And this is just going to tell LetVidimaze what domain you're using. You just enter whatever domain you want it to be on. Then you want to set up the smart pixel, and this is pretty easy. Again, if you ever use like Facebook pixels, all you have to do is copy the pixel and paste it on your page. It's that simple, very easy to do. Then you're going to be able to create your bookmarklets, which are the different parts where the different segments where you'll have different videos load. And then you can finally create your LetVidimaze box. Now, this bookmarklet tool, what you want to do is just drag and drop it to the page. For example, say we wanted the video on this page, there wasn't a video yet. We would drag this bookmarklet to wherever we wanted. It would actually create a code. So if we just click here, it's going to show this code. And that's what we use later on whenever we're creating these Vidimaze boxes. So it's pretty easy to create these segmented videos. You don't have to be like a technology genius or anything like that. Then we can go here to create a LetVidimaze box. I'm not going to bore you and go through all the steps here. It's pretty self-explanatory. All you have to do is give your campaign a name, go through and choose your video here, the campaign title, fill out the information for what you want the call to action button to look like. For example, you can have a headline here. Here's like a sub-headline. You can have a CTA box here. You can actually have a skip to section. So if they want to go back to the Let Reach intro, they can. There's another one that has like a testimonial section. They can skip to that. And it's kind of like a little video tour guide that's going to give your website visitors a whole tour of the website with almost like if you're on a tour of like a safari or something, there obviously the person would talk about different things for the different animals you'd see or the different parks. It wouldn't just be the same video that played or the same rehash thing for every segment. So what you can do is go through here, fill everything out. If you want to create some more segments, you can do that and paste the code in that you're going to get in that drag and drop bookmarklets feature. You can also customize the UI setting. This just means like the color of the box. You can have different colors and different backgrounds or background images. Also, I just want to point out you can also choose different parts. So if you don't want it to be on the bottom left, you can have it on the bottom right. You can have it on the page as soon as the page loads after a certain time. So maybe if they've been on the page for a minute and they haven't done anything, you can have this pop up and kind of alert them to attention. You can have it show after X percentage of scrolls. So that's what I would do, is I would have it after the main video has been shown. You can have this pop up right next to it with the option to play it if people want to watch the video as they're scrolling down. You can show it just on the exit if they're ready to leave the page to try to stop them from leaving, stop them from bouncing from the page. You can choose to autoplay it, yes or no. If you already have a main video playing, what you can do is just hit no if you want, and then you're not going to have two videos playing at once. That was a good idea, I thought. And then you can also have it available for mobile devices. This works on mobile as well. So overall, I want to show the features too. So on the front end, you're going to be able to use videos from YouTube and the built-in library. There's going to be some. You can add videos to a built-in library. You can use them from there. You'll also be getting some videos that you can use already, so you don't have to create the videos from scratch. You can maximize clicks. We just went over that. How to create the box. There's the behavioral-based triggers where they're on the page. Now on the OTO1, the Pro features, you can get a single link sharing to social media sites. You can use other sites. You can use a LetVidimaze box on other sites to kind of like page hijack them. There's an affiliate option here, sending traffic through seller sites. With your smart video scroll playing on top, this would be good if you're doing affiliate marketing. You want to send people right to the sales page, but have like them talk about the bonus page on there. Talk about your bonuses on their sales page. You can also, on the Pro version only, you can also build your list from it. You can use this to get opt-in, to connect your opt-in form for it. You can. There's a bunch of other ones. You can clone campaigns, and you can check this, of course, out on the OTO1 whenever you get it. But just about everything I showed you, you'll be able to get on the front end version. Everything we went over with the videos that can follow you as you scroll down, and the different segments and the bookmarklets, you'll be able to get right on the front end. So some of the drawbacks, one of the things is one of the upgrades. If you want to get rid of this powered by LetVidimaze box, you'll have to buy the OTO. If you don't buy the OTO, then this is going to remain on that. Maybe that could potentially hurt conversions, maybe it won't, but that's something that I probably want to get rid of. Now, also, this is kind of a newer idea. There isn't a lot of this is something that's brand new, where this video bookmarklet, video tour guide type thing is. I'd imagine it's going to convert a lot well, because you can go into more in depth and explain things a lot better for different sections. But again, this is a new idea. It's not 100% proven that if you put this on your page, conversions are automatically going to go up. I'm not going to tell you that is for certain on this review video, because I don't know, and I haven't tested it extensively enough yet, because this is just a brand new software. So it's something you want to be aware of. But I'd imagine that this is probably something that's going to reduce bounce rate if you put some effort into creating the videos and make them decent, and actually make them fit with the different sections you're explaining. You have to put some effort into it, of course, but I'd imagine that you'd be able to increase conversion rates and lower bounce rates, and therefore increase your sales and increase traffic as well, especially if you're using pay-per-click if you're using this. So it's going live for a lifetime access price to this version 1.0 of LetVidimaze, and you're also getting a bunch of bonuses as well. You can check out right below this video. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this clarified and give you a clear idea of what VidiMaze does. And if you want to learn more about it, go ahead and check it out whenever it launches on the sales page. You'll get all the bonuses shown below as always. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again.